Hello, good morning. Today we are going to look at how to use a software named HandBrake to reduce your the size of any video file. So if you have a video file which is too big and you want to reduce its size, you can use this software called HandBrake. So you just open your browser and type handbrake handbrake download. So you click on enter and this is the website. So handbrake download. So you just click on it. When you come here, then you download if you are a Windows user. So you download this one. If you are using any of the other operating system, so you download it, then you install it. When you are done, you go to your desktop. I have already downloaded it, so you double click on it. So this is the interface of the handbrake. So you you open the source. So then you click here, file open video, to select the video that you want to reduce the size. So you select, for this tutorial I'm picking one of my videos. So you select it, then you click on open. So your video will be sent to the software. So this is the video. Then you click on this tab, video, then video encoder. You can leave it at H.264. Then when you come to the frame rate, you can change it to same as source. Then under the quality, constant quality, you can leave it at 22 or send it to 23. So you can use this one. If you want to send it to 23, you just bring it here. When you are done, then you the save as. So you change the location where you want to put the new reduce video file that you want to compress. So you click on browse, then you select where you want to put it, then you give it a name, maybe reduce video, then you click on save. Then you come and click on start encode. So here, when you click on it, then it will start the process. So you have to wait for it to finish. Then you go to where the folder that you deleted it to be saved. Then you get your reduce video file. So this is how to use handbrake to reduce any video file that is big. Thank you for your attention.